Alrighty. Hello, Professor Darling. My name is Nathan Campbell, and this is my intermediate algebra video for the 905 class. For this video, the question I will be redoing and showing you is from quiz 1, and that is number 3, which states, find the equation for the line passing through the given points, equation in slope-intercept form, show all work, hint, find slope first, then use point-slope formula to rewrite the requested form. Alright, so to make the video a little shorter, I already went through and made the points. The points are -3, -2, 1, and 3. I also included the slope formula, which is m equals y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. And then I also went ahead and found the slope, which is 5 divided by 4 once you do the math to figure out the slope, which is the first step, or the hint of finding the first step to solving the problem. So now that I have the first step done, we're going to be going ahead and doing the point slope formula and implementing the slope into that. So the point slope formula should look something like this: y minus -2 equals, and then you would implement your slope, 5 divided by 4, and then you would implement the rest of the equation, x minus, and then -3. And that's using this equation along with our points to get the equation. So for our first step, we're going to go ahead and make this into a positive. A negative plus a negative equals a positive. So this would in turn turn to y plus 2 equals 5 divided by 4 x minus -3. And then we're also going to go ahead and do that same thing to the other side. A negative plus a negative equals a positive, to make y plus 2 equals 5 divided by 4 x plus 3. Alrighty, now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and distribute and simplify, taking the x and going to that side of the equation to make y plus 2 equals 5 divided by 4, and that's going to make our 5 divided by 4x. And then we're also going to take the 3 and do the same thing. So we're going to do plus 5 times 3 is 15 divided by 4. So once you're at this point, we're going to go ahead and subtract 2 from both sides to simplify that even more, to get y equals -2 plus 5 divided by 4x plus 15 divided by 4. And then I'm going to start working this way so that you can continue to follow along. So now that we're at this stage, we're going to multiply this 2 by the common denominators of 4, which will give us y equals -2 times 4 divided by 4 plus 15 divided by 4, 15 divided by 4 plus 5x divided by 4. And then we're going to go ahead and times that, so we'll get y equals -8. Well, actually we are taking these two and kind of like combining them. So we're taking y equals -8 plus 15 divided by 4. And then we're finishing off the equation of 5x divided by 4. So this will give us, once we go ahead and do that same step again, we should get y equals 7 divided by 4 plus 5x 5 divided by 4x. And then once put into slope-intercept form, you're kind of just gonna swap those back. It'll be y equals 5 divided by 4x plus 7 divided by 4. And that should be our final answer, and that is finding the point slope formula for any given 2 points. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.